Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable auto delete OTP after 24 hours from message box. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want auto delete OTPs, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your message app. Then click on your profile icon. In this you can see here messages settings. Open this option, then click on message organization. In this you can see here auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. Current and future OTPs will be permanently deleted after 24 hours. If here this option disable, then enable this option. After enabling this option, your OTP will be deleted automatically after 24 hours. That's it guys. So in this you auto delete your OTP after 24 hours. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.